Great, got another one. This is a picking up the keys video. Just come through to me now. I've got 3 others to record this afternoon as well. So in case you don't know, every time we buy a house for ourselves or for clients, and also every time we finish a house, the whole renovation's done and it's nearly ready to rent, we record it. Video, not me, it's whoever is closest to it in the UK. So we've got buyers all over the UK now. This one is Jonathan's, so Jonathan's in the northwest. He has found this house, he's just about to fix it up for the client and then he will rent it out. So the property reference is 11YOS, so 11YOS. If you're not familiar with it, you'll be able to type in 11YOS and you'll find it on YouTube. We bought this house for £67,500 and it's going to rent out for £650. Now, what's this video for? It's for our client, it's for me, so it's almost like a quality check, isn't it? You know, it's a nice audit, we get a particular video. But why do we put it up on YouTube? We usually get a couple of comments in here going, what on earth is this video about? But if you think about it, there's lots of people interested in buy-to-let. A picture speaks 1,000 words, and we know that a video is, you know, that times 1,000. You know, take a look at this particular video. Look around the property. These are the kind of properties that we're investing in. A little bit later on, give it 6 to 8 weeks. Type in 11YOS again, 11YOS, the same property code, and you'll find this property finished. So you can see how we renovate it and how long it took. So you'll get a really good idea about what kind of properties work, why we buy them, how we buy them. We do this with all the properties, so if you want to find another one, go pick on another one, type in that code and you'll be able to follow it all the way through from picking up the keys to having it renovated. We've got another channel, another YouTube channel. We do keep it separate, but if you search for the Landlords Renovations, type in the same code, you'll be able to see the renovation all the way through. That really is niche viewing. It. They are the update videos for our clients. So all the way through the renovation, when the renovation's happening, our client gets an update at least every 2 weeks. Usually it's every week actually. So you can see the progress of that property going the way through. So we upload them. We know that people, if they find them interesting, they find them interesting. If you don't, move on to some of the more comments and the kind of content that we do that's got comments and news and updates and those kind of things. This isn't that. This is very specific. This is a house being renovated. It's a little 2-bed to actually this is a 2-bed to 3-bed conversion. So again, it's really interesting. If you want to know that's how we created the value in this property. You'll see it's got a really big front bedroom, and we're going to create 3 bedrooms where there was once 2. And if you want to interested in how that's going to work, watch the video. If you would like us to do this for you, if you'd like us to find a property, fix it up and then rent it out, book on a discovery call. You'll find out how we do it. If you've got any other property related question, if you own 1 house or 100 houses and you want them rented out, you want a good competent letting agency, book on a discovery call. The discovery call is the starting point for everybody, whether they just want to find out a bit more about property in general, if they want to find out a bit more about us, or if they want to find out something very specific. Book on the discovery call. You'll find it in the description there. I'll hand over to Jonathan. A house in the northwest, 11YOS. Bye now.
This is property reference 11YOS. This property was bought using our handheld service for £67,500, and upon completion we'll get between £600 and £650 per calendar month rental. So let's have a look inside and see what we can do. So we're going to clear up the garden, paint the decorative works, replace the door. Coming inside, we're going to make sure that we remove all of the safety glass and board up, remove all of the wallpaper. This is the front living room. We're going to remove the old gas fireplace and we're going to board it up, vent it, make it safe and cap the gas. We're going to remove the wallpaper here, give it a nice lick of paint. We're going to also damp proof the room because there are signs of damp. We're going to renew the door, put a new handle. Coming into the hallway now and into the second living room. We're also going to do the same remove the gas fireplace, vent it, board it, make it safe. We're also going to tank this room because there's signs of damp. So to make sure it's safe for the tenants, we're going to remove all of the wallpaper, remove the wall light fittings there, put a new ceiling light on. We're also going to put a solid door here and overboard the bottom of the stairs there to make it safe. Moving into the kitchen now. We're going to completely rip out and replace the kitchen here with a brand new kitchen, new tiles, a new extractor fan, new units, new worktops. And we're going to replace the glass back door with a nice new PVC back door that's nice, safe and secure. Going up now the stairs and the hallway, we're going to remove the handrail on the right because it's not needed anymore. We're going to remove the wallpaper, obviously paint the entire house. We're going to make sure the spindles are safe by adding some more. This is the bathroom. We're going to completely replace this, put a bath, shower, new toilet, new wash basin. This is the second bedroom. We're going to remove the wallpaper, damp-proof the walls. Renew the door frames, paint the entire room, put a new light fitting in. Going into the first bedroom now, the master bedroom. We're going to cut this into two and we're going to make 2 bedrooms because it's a nice huge room and it's wasted as one at the moment. So we're going to put a stud wall there with a new entrance hallway, and there's going to be a nice new hallway there and a nice new bedroom. We're going to remove the wallpaper, renew the door, renew the frames, put some more plug sockets in as we wheel around the house, put a new light fitting in, and that's how we're going to add the value.